we guide you through how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams and join or start a meeting. Then look at the meeting controls and click Share button, usually shown as a square with an arrow pointing up. Once clicked, you'll see options like sharing your entire screen, a specific window, or a PowerPoint file. Choose Screen if you want to show everything, or Window if you only want a specific app visible. Before sharing, make sure to turn on system audio. If you need to include sound, then click Share to begin. Your screen will now be visible to everyone in the meeting, and you'll see a red border or notification indicating that sharing is activated. While presenting, you can switch between windows or stop sharing anytime by clicking Stop Sharing at the top of your screen. If you want better controls, use presenter mode to keep your notes visible while the audience sees only your content.